Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. It's a little bit windy, so I apologize, but I wanted to get you guys the features on this unit. This is a 2019 6x12 off-road trailer. I don't have any 612s in stock, so that's why I really wanted to get a video for you guys. This one's in a black blackout, equipped with the black diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom. You've got black diamond plate corners as well. Generator platform, extended tongue, removable heavy-duty front coupler, side swivel jack there. Side door does have an RV and cam bar lock on it, so you've got double lock protection on the side door, as well as a nice gutter. And then this one also is equipped with the spot off of the side door. You also have power and AC with this unit. 32-inch mud terrain tire. You do have a Black American aluminum racing wheel as well, and this one does have brakes on that single axle. It is a 3,500-pound torsion axle. Overhead aluminum roof rack with a ladder. There it is. You guys can access that right there. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have spring assist close on it, and now we can get in and out of the wind here. You do have a spotlight here as well for a load light at the ramp door. 6'6" interior height, insulated walls and ceiling with this unit as well, and then the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. I'm going to stand on this side, we'll shoot this side, go through this, and then we'll go to the other side. You do have two of these nice big 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted, you guys can lock them as well. And then you've got E-track recessed in each of the walls. Here's a good shot of this side. Now you do have a light switch back here. This light switch is going to turn on this load light for you guys, so you can drop that ramp door and immediately get some light. And then we've got 4 interior outlets, 2 here on this side, 2 more here up towards the front. Couple different power options for this unit as well. We have a 30-amp box right here with this cord, so you can take this cord, you pop it through the floor, go into your generator, go into your extension cord. That's going to power up the trailer for you. That is going to power up your interior outlets. It's going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip, and it's also going to power up these 2 4-foot LEDs that are on the ceiling. Try and back up here and get far enough back so you guys can see both of those. Now we also have a battery and a battery charger, which is a great feature. I love that we're doing this in the trailers now. This is going to run your interior and exterior puck light 12-volt lights for you guys. So this is a great feature because you no longer have to be plugged into a vehicle to get light. So you can imagine pulling up to the campsite, not being plugged into your generator yet, you want to unhook from the truck and you have no light, so that gives you guys a nice feature there. And again, that's going to run all of your puck lights, which are these guys. You've got 2 of these in here, and it's going to also run those 2 exterior spotlights for you guys. Now you also have an overhead roof vent. This does have a Maxx Air bubble cover on it, so if you guys open this up and it starts to rain or whatever, it's not going to leak water in on your items that you have inside of the trailer, which is great. And again, 6'6" interior height. Now we also have the Performance Nudo floor in here, which is this black flooring. It's an amazing product. It's super durable. Underneath this is Drymax. Drymax is a product that does not absorb the water or the moisture. And that's what's on the underneath side of the trailer. So much better for longevity purposes over your standard wood floor. And then you guys also have 4 D-rings in the floor as well. 2 here in the front. And I'll spin around. You've got 2 more back there by that ramp door. And here's kind of a better shot looking from the front back. So here it is, you guys. I'm again apologize, I'm sorry for the wind, but I wanted to get this out there, and I'll try and redo the video later on. If you guys look down below in the description, I'll have a full description of this unit as well as a stock number and price. And if you don't live near us, that's okay. We do have shipping options available for you guys. We ship all over the country all the time, so give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote, and you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can always check out our inventory online at coloradotrailersinc.com.